This is one of the old tuber of that yam, Amorphophallus species, edible thing, and very showy also. This plant is probably some 5 or 7 years old. All the babies have come around it. It looks also very beautiful and nice, and it lends itself to landscaping and all very well because of that spectacular shape and all. Then behind that, I planted that Gajapipli, one of that piper family. That's also very beautiful plant. That spiky flowering structure is quite attractive, and it does well in these inner boundaries. I got a hedge here, inner one in the gardens for improving the ambience in the vegetable garden and all. So this one looks very showy and nice, very hardy also.